gorgeous morning on whatever it's called.
Well, it's been a wonderful climb to the top of Squaw Peak. Actually, it's now called Piestewa Peak in Phoenix, Arizona. Beautiful, clear, sunny day, a little bit of mist in the background. Feels invigorating.
What originally gave you the idea to do the BRTs in the first place?
Do you want to answer that?
What was your inspiration for it?
Well, back in the 80s, early 80s, I was involved with seminar production, and one of our claims to fame back then was that we used super learning techniques. And when the seminar was designed, we actually brought Lazanov over, paid the Bulgarian government to bring Lazanov over so that he could fine-tune and rearrange our courses for the material we wanted to teach, to make it totally super learning with the music and colors and activities and interactive things that we did with the courses. So that was probably the start of my interest in how the brain works. And then I immediately started exploring NLP, hypnosis, Milton Erickson, psychoimmunology, just anything and everything that had to do with the brain and how the brain worked and the mind-body connection. So I think that was the start of it for me.
That's quite a history, isn't it? For me, especially since collaborating with Betty on human potential in so many ways, I draw on my history as a naturopath, and I've always been interested in what makes things easier for people, whether it be techniques for health and well-being or fitness or the ability to be more focused with your work or the activities that you want to do in a day. And as we started exploring this technology for brainwave resonance, then we started to see some really remarkable results, so that led us to research more and more. And here we are.